Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Christmas is around the corner and Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. We are doing the series of parts of speech and today we are going to see part 8 in which you will see adverbs of interrogation. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. So friends, today we will see last kinds of adverbs. We have already completed from kind number 1 to kind number 6 and today we are going to see kind number 7, that is adverbs of interrogation. Let's see the definition. The interrogative adverbs are why, where, when, how and so on. They are used to ask questions about an action. Let's see examples. Where is he going? So, where. That is adverb of interrogation. Second, when did the bell ring? So, when. When you want to know about the time, then you have to use when. If you want to know about place, then you have to use where. So, where and when both are adverbs of interrogation. Third, where do you live? Fourth, why are you moving? Who? Who discovered America many centuries ago? So if you want to know about the subject, then you have to ask with who. If you want to know about the reason, then you have to ask with why. Let's do exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs of interrogation. 4 blanks are given. You have to put appropriate adverbs of interrogation. Do it now. Let's check answers. When will you visit Singapore again? So time. So if you want to know about the time, then ask with when. Where did you get this beautiful dress from? So if you want to know about place, then you have to ask with where. Why did you leave the class without permission? If you want to know the reason, then ask with why. How was the plan changed? So if you want to know about the manner, then you have to use how or process. See, here we have already completed all kinds of adverbs. So here combined exercise will come. Identify the correct type of adverb for the underlined words in the following sentences. Okay, we have already seen all kinds of adverbs and here combined exercise is given. So underlining part is also given and below that you have this bracket. So from the bracket which one is correct, that you have to find out. Do it now. Let's check answers. First, when did it start raining? So when, underlining part is when. So this shows interrogative adverb. Okay, that's why here correct is interrogative adverb. Second, I take my dog for a walk daily. So daily, that is underlining part and this shows adverb of frequency. Third, I am saving up money to go abroad. Abroad, that is underlining part, and this shows place. That is why adverb of place is the correct answer. Fourth, she kindly offered me a warm drink. So here kindly, underlining part is kindly. So this shows manner. So adverb of manner is the correct answer. Last one. We couldn't watch the movie because the tickets were all sold out. So here in bracket, 3 adverb of manner, adverb of reason and adverb of place. These are given. So which one is correct? Reason. Why? Because it is given. It shows reason or purpose. That is why this is the correct answer. So friends, here we end our session. Hope you liked it. So enjoy Christmas season and we will meet in my part 9 that will be based on adjectives, in which you will see what are adjectives and how they work in particular sentence. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Happy holidays.